Our two-wheeler sales during the quarter grew by 11% over Q4 last year. Scooters grew by 19%, motorcycles grew by 12%, and mopeds grew by 3%. Revenue by operations grew by 15%, 2,443 crores to 2,815 crores. Three-wheeler sales, there was a decline about 20% over Q4 due to lower exports due to restricted availability of foreign exchange in African markets. Profit for the quarter, PBT, grew by 37% from 100 crores to 138 crores. And profit after tax for the quarter grew by 30% from 90 crores to 118 crores. Year as a whole, last year was one of the best years we had, 2015-16. Overall, two-wheeler sales grew by 7% over 2014-15. Scooters grew by 16%, motorcycles grew by 7%. Mopeds declined by 3%. Revenue from operations grew by 12% from 10,042 crores to 11,244 crores. Three-wheeler sales grew by 3% over 2014-15. PBT for the year grew by 24% from 456 crores to 566 crores. Profit after tax grew by 24% from 347 crores to 432 crores. EBITDA for the year moved from 6% to 6.7% compared to 2014-15. Board during the meeting in January declared first interim dividend of 1 rupee per share, and 12th March declared the second interim dividend of 1.5 rupee per share. Total interim dividends declared during the year was 250% compared to 190% declared in the previous year. The recently launched products, XL100, Apache, Victor, the response from the market is extremely good. During last year, we also launched refreshed new colors of Jupiter, Scooty Zest, Peplus, Vigo, Apache, and TVS Sport. Extremely happy that most of our brands were number 1 or number 2 in the JD Power, both TGW, that is Initial Quality Survey, and the Appeals Survey. Last week, JD Power has announced the CSI Awards, first time in the two-wheeler industry, and TVS is number 1, first ranked, and we are extremely happy about that. This year, that is 2016-17, we want to grow ahead of the competition and gain market share. Thank you.
Sir, Rahul here from ET Now. The street is a little disappointed on the margins front, coming close to 6.3, 6.4. They were expecting 7. Can you tell us about it and what's the outlook as far as margins are concerned?
Margins we have grown significantly in terms of last year to this year in terms of PBT. If you look at it, we have grown from 456 crores to 566 crores, and profit after tax has also grown and EBITDA has also grown.
And we have consistently maintained that we will have a quality growth. And if you have seen that the profit before tax in 2012-13 was 250 crores, and in 3 years we practically doubled it, more than doubled it. So the current year we had declared 566 crores. So profit before tax have practically doubled, more than doubled in 3 years' time. So we are going for a quality, profitable growth.
What's the outlook like? I know you wouldn't want to get into specifics. We ask you every quarter, but
we will keep up the same momentum in terms of gaining market share and EBITDA.
Sir, Aditya from CNBC TV 18. Could you just throw some more light on the dip in three-wheeler sales? What were the major reasons?
The international market, as you know, there has been some problems in terms of oil prices. Consequently, the demand slowing down and availability of the forex dollar availability. We are expecting that will continue. We are continuing to gain market share, but this industry itself has come down significantly. I think this pressure will be there for maybe another 3 months or 4 months. That's what we are expecting.
Could you give us an update on the JV with BMW? When is the first bike going to roll out?
It is not a JV, it is a joint design and development partnership between BMW. This year, by second half, the bikes will be there on the market.
So will your promo and launch expenses remain high in the months to come?
We invest behind every brand because that is the only way to gain market share in the market. Like Murali said, we are going for a quality market share gain. So we will continue to invest behind new products and brand.
Also, a sense on the rural demand, how is that shaping up? The drought
We are really expecting a good monsoon. I think there are mixed responses, but we are seriously hoping for a very good monsoon this year. Maybe a bit delayed, but definitely that is going to help all industries.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.